Welcome to Exam Sale. This voiceover walks you through the syllabus for the VMware Certified Associate 6 Cloud Management and Automation Fundamentals exam so you know exactly what to study and why it matters. Overview. The exam covers 3 domains with exact weights of 35% for Identify VMware Cloud Management and Automation Products, 35% for Identify VMware Cloud Management and Automation Business Challenges and Solutions, and 30% for Explain Cloud Management and Automation Concepts. Overall, the exam focuses on recognizing VMware product capabilities, mapping technical solutions to business challenges, and understanding foundational cloud and SDDC concepts, and it uses a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessments with difficulty levels noted for each domain. Domain 1. Identify VMware Cloud Management and Automation Products. Carries 35% of the exam and is rated medium with an estimated 8 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessments. You will learn the components and modular architecture of the vRealize suite and how it differs from the vCloud suite, including licensing models and how vCloud Air integrates with on-premises systems. The domain also covers vRealize automation features such as the self-service provisioning portal, the unified service catalog, multi-machine blueprints, supported infrastructure resource providers, lifecycle management, reclamation, and the vRealize orchestrator engine. Finally, you will learn vRealize operations and log insight capabilities for health, risk and efficiency badges, predictive analytics, log analysis, capacity planning, compliance monitoring, and vRealize business for cloud topics like IT financial management, cloud cost comparisons, showback and chargeback, budgeting, and integration with automation for price modeling. Domain 2. Identify VMware Cloud Management and Automation Business Challenges and Solutions. Also counts for 35% and is rated easy with about 6 hours of study and scenario-based assessments. This domain teaches how automation modernizes IT by addressing manual provisioning challenges, increasing agility, enforcing standardized service delivery, reducing shadow IT through self-service portals, and applying policy-based governance to cut operational overhead. You will also study intelligent operations and control, including approaches to maintain uptime and performance, reduce mean time to resolution with proactive analytics, handle capacity management, maintain compliance across clouds, and provide unified visibility to optimize resource utilization. The domain closes with IT financial and business management concepts that explain tracking cloud spend, building transparency in consumption, comparing private versus public cloud costs, using chargeback for accountability, and aligning IT spending with business services. Domain 3. Explain Cloud Management and Automation Concepts. Represents 30% of the exam, is rated easy with approximately 6 hours of study, and includes both conceptual and scenario-based assessments. You will learn cloud computing fundamentals such as the 5 essential characteristics, the differences between IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, public, private and hybrid cloud models, and the implications of multi-tenancy. The software-defined data center section explains the core SDDC pillars of compute, storage and network, the role of virtualization, the management and control planes, and benefits such as abstraction, pooling, automation and cloud-scale operations. Finally, you will study automation and orchestration principles, including the difference between automation and orchestration, workflow-driven resource delivery, policy-based placement and governance, the everything-as-a-service model, standardizing blueprints, and building extensible management frameworks. To conclude, focus study time proportionally to the domain weights and plan to spend about 8 hours on products and 6 hours each on business challenges and foundational concepts. Practice scenario-based questions, review product architectures and common business use cases, and be comfortable explaining how VMware solutions map to operational, financial and governance goals before you sit the exam.